This is a really cool street. It's called Purgatorio, Purgatorio, Arco, I think. I can barely see the name, but we're gonna be going down. It's kind of cool too. Say bitch. I don't know what that says, but that street looks super cool. So we're gonna go directly down the street, starting from here. We're going to start at this street, but we're going to kind of take a look and see what this other street looks like first. We have another one over here too. Let's just kind of take a look. Oh, this one is this is kind of a famous one. Actually, that street looks pretty cool too. And that goes all the way down. Then you also have all those peppers, I think. And this one, people rub the nose. Oh, okay, and this pizza place is called Sorbio, which is famous for one of the pizza places. I think they have fried pizza specialty. What we're gonna try to do, let's go into this alley right here. Some of these alleys look so cool. Been wanting to go into some of these anyways. It's amazing. Okay. So let's go down this alley. I've been a little bit cautious because when I go down these alleys, it always feels like I'm kind of looking into people's living rooms. But this particular alley, something feels kind of good about it. So I think because this right here is a church, and sometimes I'll hear these low airplanes. I think actually this street is called Purgatorio. So I think that's the street name right there, Purgatorio. There it is. And I think that was a restaurant. So this is a very specific street. And actually when you walk in here, it's like nice and cool. I don't know what it'd be like in the wintertime, but then we have these, like a little so that's the name of the street right there. And I guess we got more alleys everywhere too. Oh, that one goes back. So that goes back to oh, there's Airbnb over here too. Okay. Very cool. So I'm gonna stick to the main streets, and we're just gonna go back down to the main underground. And you got a little taste of Purgatorio anyways. Yeah, these are the feels really cool. What the temperature's lower. So another taste of Naples. We're back. It's kind of cool. Okay. So we're back out to the main street again. We're back at this again too. Okay. So it's gonna end it right there.
Lindo, lindo, lindo,